I'm Alex Berger from Lawyer Up in Marquette, Michigan, and I'm excited to announce to everyone that we got great outcomes for two of our clients today. So, we've been spending the last couple days preparing for jury trials that we have scheduled on January 13th, next Tuesday. And this is in Marquette County District Court. What Marquette County District Court has been doing for the last, year or so is they set a bunch of trials all on one trial day, and they set them in a priority list, and everyone's supposed to be ready to go. We have had routinely 4 or 5 trials that we've had to simultaneously prepare for in case we go and then we resolve them. One of the problems that we've run into is they don't really resolve them until a day before trial, so we're looking pretty good this week. We had 11 different cases that were all set for trial on the 13th, and they were ranked in priority. So I had a good chunk of those 11. But for 2 of my clients, it resulted in a full dismissal today. So they are walking free. And I want to talk about those 2 cases for you. So the first one, I had the number 1 priority case. It was second offense OWI, operating while intoxicated by alcohol. The incident occurred back in November of 24. So this is a pretty old one. My client was pulled over. He had gotten stuck in the ditch, and then the police arrived. They started doing field sobriety tests. He did okay on him. He did a portable breath test, and it came back at .094. So they arrested him. And again, the second offense OWI, so the consequences are very significant. The laboratory results came back at a .074, which everyone knows is below the legal limit. I had been asking the prosecutor to dismiss that case for well over a year. And I think we definitely would have won, but eventually they saw the light and that case is dismissed. The other case that we had dismissed was obtaining money by false pretenses. It was a very shoddy investigation. I was very much looking forward to trying that case. There's some good evidence issues, but I'm pretty confident we would have succeeded pretty quickly in a not guilty verdict. But again, the prosecutor saw the light and dismissed that case on the Friday before the Tuesday trial. I will note that there were at least 2 other cases that were dismissed. One of them I was working on with that attorney. There was a marijuana OWI case with really weird labs that the prosecutor dismissed yesterday, which is a little bit better. And then there was another below .08 blood alcohol OWI, which again, I was involved in that case a little bit, but I wasn't going to do the trial with that attorney. But that one was also dismissed. So that's 4 cases, 3 of which are impaired driving cases, dismissed in Marquette County 2 business days before the trial. So this just goes to show it always pays to have an attorney that will fight for you and push things right up to trial, because sometimes that's when the magic happens. And if it doesn't, we are always ready to fight for your rights in a jury trial. Take care.